Hey guys. Anyhow, just came out to feed the birds. I put the feed over there, away from the grass so they can see it. They're gonna get to it later. Uh, so anyhow, the animal is like banging, making all this noise. They're acting all annoyed of me creating prayers. How do I feel? How do I feel for 13 years, going to 14 years, dealing with BS? How do I feel? So why would I care about your feelings? Bang all you want. Bang all you want. It's not gonna deter me from creating prayers. You know what I'm saying? Because you have all this technology using against me. Little snake, cold-blooded serpent snake. Freaking snake. Keep banging. It's not gonna stop me. Continue.